In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for the Instagram logo on Canva. Whether you're designing social media graphics, creating presentations, or working on personal projects, knowing how to efficiently find and use various design elements can make your process smoother. Canva is a powerful and user-friendly tool that simplifies graphic design, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of your level of expertise. So let's dive in. First, we need to access your Canva document. If you're not already on Canva, open your favorite web browser and navigate to the Canva website. Once you're there, ensure you're logged into your account. You can either start a new design from scratch or open an existing project where you'd like to add the Instagram logo. If you're starting from a blank canvas or editing a current design, being proactive about organizing your space will help streamline your process. Think about where exactly you want to place this logo within your design, as this will guide you as you arrange your elements. Now let's locate the elements you need for this design. On the left side of your Canva interface, you'll notice a vertical toolbar. Click on Elements. The Elements tab is a treasure trove of graphics, shapes, and much more for you to incorporate into your projects. Here you have the option to search for a multitude of items by simply typing them into the search bar provided at the top of this pane. Go ahead and type Instagram logo into the search bar. It might take a moment to load, depending on your internet speed, but soon you will see a selection of different Instagram logos that you can use. You'll likely find various styles and colors of the Instagram logo, so take a moment to browse through them and decide which one best suits the theme and aesthetic of your design. Canva offers both free and premium elements. If you see a crown icon next to a logo, that indicates a premium feature, which means it's available to Canva Pro users or for individual purchase. With the right logo selected, simply click on it and it will automatically appear on your design canvas. From here, you can adjust its size and position by clicking and dragging the corners or sides of the element. Use the alignment guides that appear to ensure the logo is properly positioned within your design. Experimenting with its placement can help you achieve a balanced and polished look. And just like that, you're done. You have successfully found and inserted an Instagram logo into your Canva design. The power of Canva lies in these simple steps that allow you to enhance your creative work with ease. Keep exploring the Elements tab for other graphic design needs you might have as you work on future projects. Thank you for watching and happy designing.